The supermarket is where I shop. Publix has it all, so it's one stop. Fruits and vegetables are what I eat, along with cashews as a special treat. Freedom just acquired a little shopping cart. Freedom, are you going to do a little bit of shopping? Are you going to do your shopping? So we buy all of our groceries at Publix on Palmetto Bay Road. Freedom, are you going to pick up your little shopping cart? Hey, Freedom. We're going to do a little shopping? Hey, pretty bird. Hey, Freedom. Alright guys, we're signing off live with Freedom the Parrot and his new shopping cart. Have a great day.